Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now, tap on the profile icon. Select the Amazfit GTS 3 from the list of devices. And on this page, look for the option called App Store. Once you find it, tap on it, and this will open the list of applications you can install on your watch. You can scroll through this list, find the application you want to install, and tap on the install button next to it to install it. For example, let's install random number. So let's tap on the install button. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the pop-up that the application was installed. You can wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the crown button. Press it again to open the menu. And once you scroll through the menu, you should see the application right here on the list. You can tap on it to open it. And this application basically generates random numbers. Let's close it. And if you want, you can install multiple applications. And once you're done, you can close the application on the phone, basically. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.